Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us again. Please subscribe. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next. We loved hearing from you guys. And follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, today we are going to draw football superstar Amon-Ra St. Brown of the Detroit Lions, wide receiver, making a name for himself for sure. Amon-Ra St. Brown played college football at USC, that's the University of Southern California Trojans, drafted in the 4th round by the Lions in 2021. He's one of the youngest to score touchdowns in 6 consecutive games under the age of 22 years. So, here we go. Find the center of your page up and down, the center across. We'll do Amon-Ra's head up here. We're going to grab our dark marker, pointed tip, and we'll do the jaw line as we usually do. We'll go down, bring it down to a chin, over, up, and up. Okay. Now we're going to go up and kind of bulge out. Go up and kind of bulge out. Now we're going to go connect the top of the head. Kind of a point at the top and connect. So when I make these lines, we go kind of slow. You don't need to go fast. Take your time. A couple of ovals on the side of the head for ears. Sideways ovals right here for eyes. 1, 2. We'll do a big circle on the inside of those eyes. We're going to leave those white. Do not color those in. Another small circle on the inside of the eye and an arch. Arch. Now leave those areas white and we're going to fill in the rest of the eye with our dark marker here. As we do on most of our characters, we leave these circles white as they are the highlights of the eye, which bring characters to life. So whenever you're drawing a person or an animal or someone, make sure to leave highlights in their eyes. We're going to get a light blue marker and fill in this area just to add a little bit of color to the character. That's the reflection of the light off of the stadium lights off the eye. Okay, so now let's do some eyebrows. We'll do up, slant up, and then slant down to the edge of the eye. Slant down to the edge of the eye. Bump up, slant up and down to a point. Slant up and down to a point, and color those in. Okay. And now we'll do the nose. Bring the edge of the eye down, make a dot. The edge of the eye down, make a dot. That's the edge of the nose. Up, down, up. Okay, there's the nose. And now we have the lips to do. We're going to do a smile. Make a dot in the center, and that's the center of our smile. Up, down, up. Up, down, up. And then bring the smile down, across, and up on an angle. Okay? I like to color the corners of the mouth dark. It just makes it look more real. Big smile lines. Amon-Ra St. Brown has a big smile, so we're going to bring a couple of smile lines down from the edge of the nose. Make a line for the bottom of that lip. He has a little bit of a beard right there, and then a big goatee beard off that chin, so you can scribble in those whiskers there. And he has also a mustache. So I'm going to scribble up and down, up and down, up and down until I get to the edge. Up and down, up and down, up and down until I get to the edge. And I leave a gap right there. That's the top of the lip. Okay. For the hair, we're going to go angle in, up, up, and then connect with an arch. And this will all be filled in with our dark marker. I'm just doing it lightly right now because I'll do the rest in fast forward. Okay, so there's the face. Amon-Ra St. Brown looking good. Bring the neck down. 1, 2, down to a V, and connect. Now bump out for the shoulder pad, kind of a big arch. Bump out for the other shoulder pad, big arch. round out that shoulder pad, round out that shoulder pad. Okay, now we're gonna bring it down to a waist. Here we go. Bring it down to the waist area, come across, and bring that down to the waist area. Slant out. He has a shirt, like some receivers do, their shirt's untucked or something. I don't know exactly what's going on, but he has his shirt untucked. And then some pants. We'll go down, round up, down, round, and connect. He has a smaller waist, smaller legs. Once again, he's a fast wide receiver, so they have smaller body types. Let's do a big football over here. Arch out into a point. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers holding that football, and then we'll bring his arm in, bump, and then hide it behind that football, bump, and then hide it behind that football there. Okay, let's do the same on this side. Bump, 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 and here's the forearm coming down. Get skinnier to the wrist. His thumb comes out. Okay, and maybe he'll have a little finger behind there. That'll be his glove. Okay, now let's draw his calves. Start wide at the knee and come down on an angle to a skinny ankle. Wide at the knee and come down to a skinnier ankle. Down, down. And now we'll do some big cleats. There's the tongue of the shoe, the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Okay. Bring it out and down. Bring it out to the edge of the paper and down. Now come straight across to the heel and stop. And connect that heel to the ankle. Okay, bring that heel down. Come straight across to the toe and connect. And there we go. We have Amon-Ra St. Brown of the Detroit Lions. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to grab the Detroit Lion blue that I have found, and I'm going to do some stripes. So we'll go down from the shoulder to the armpit. And in the middle we got one big wide gap. That's going to be gray. And on top we'll do another. I'll fill this in just so you can see it. So that's going to be gray, that's going to be gray. Leave a gap, fill in this gap with blue. And then there you have it. So gray, gray, gray. Same thing over here. Angle up, make a big wide stripe. This area will be blue. These stripes will be gray, Detroit Lion gray. And I will do quickly a stripe down the side of the leg, that'll be blue. Stripe down the side of the leg, that'll be blue. And then one skinny stripe stays blue. Okay, we're also gonna do the socks, blue. We'll do that in fast forward. I'm just gonna scribble here so you can see what's gonna be blue. And then we'll do a blue stripe on the shoe in the fast forward. Arch down, arch down. Now, the important part, let's do the number 14. Okay, so I'm going to get my dark gray, a darker gray here. And let's do the number 14. Go down, over, down, over. There we go, number 1. Number 4 comes all the way down, round. Okay, we're gonna hit fast forward. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Amon-Ra St. Brown of the Detroit Lions. Blue jersey. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know who you'd like to see next. Fast forward now.